I'm Susan. I hope everybody's doing great today. Today I'm making a new recipe in my slow cooker, and it is a slow cooker ground beef casserole. And you don't even have to cook your ground beef, so I hope it'll be good. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I've already crumbled mine into the bottom of my crock pot. You'll need, it calls for 6 potatoes, but these are jumbo potatoes, so I'm using 5. And you'll want to slice these. It'll cost for 1 medium onion sliced, a can of green beans with the juice. I'm using a can of cream of chicken soup. It calls for cream of mushroom soup, but this family has allergy issues, so I'm going with cream of chicken. And we've got salt and pepper to taste. On top of my crumbled hamburger meat, I added my sliced potatoes, and I ended up only needing 3 because it was an awful lot. It didn't say what size potatoes to get, so all I had was the jumbo potatoes, so 3 was plenty. Now on top of your potatoes, you want to add your sliced onion. Now you want to add your salt and your pepper. And I would have used more. It called for less than what I used. And although it ended up being really good, it could have used, especially the hamburger meat and potatoes, need a lot more seasoning. But you can always salt and pepper afterwards. Now you want to add your green beans and your soup on top of that. And just spread that soup over the top. And now you just want to put your lid on and cook it on low for 6 to 8 hours. And it took 6 hours for mine. And here it is. It was really good. It was really a hit with my family. Now I would have added just a little bit more salt and pepper and maybe even a little garlic powder. And I would definitely use leaner ground beef. I just use regular ground beef, but you probably won't use one that's got not quite so much fat. You can cook your hamburger meat beforehand if you want, but it will make it drier. And it looks pink, but everything was done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.